Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to automate your Facebook Reels in n8n. So whenever I upload a video file in my Google Drive, the workflow will be triggered. Right now I've uploaded this video that I will be using for this tutorial. I'll go back to my n8n and then I will execute the workflow to show you how it's running. It will be published in a moment. It's still running. I'll refresh the page again. Here's the reel is
Hi, let's learn to write A. First, a
uploaded.
slanting line down to the right. Next, a line down to the left, and a crossbar.
Along with the
Hi, let's
description.
learn to write A. First, a slanting line down to the right. Next, a line.
Alright, let's go back to our n8n. I'll show you step by step how the workflow works. We got Google Drive trigger as the first node. So this node just gets the latest uploaded file or video. It runs every minute. Whenever there is a newly uploaded video file, it will start the workflow. And the next node is the Google Drive download file.
Hi, let's learn to write
we could
A.
get
First,
our video downloaded in our n8n. So what I did here, I dragged the web view link. As you can see, we got the web content link and web view link. We dragged and dropped the web view link. And then the next node is Cloudinary. It's where we will store our video file. Here we basically uploaded the video in my Cloudinary account. So if you don't have a Cloudinary account, just go to cloudinary.com and create an account, and then come back, go to your credential section, click on create new credential. You will need the cloud name and the API key and the API secret. As you can see, I got my video uploaded on my Cloudinary. I have already done it before, and I will show you how to get your credentials. The cloud name is this one. It's your DN. Let's go to the API settings. On your API settings up here, click on API keys. So the cloud name is above, and then on the right you click on generate new API key, and then you'll get your API key along with your API secret. Let's go back to n8n. After you get your credential, just execute the node. The next node is Gemini Analyze Video. So you click on the plus on the right, type in Gemini, and click on Google Gemini, not this one. This is a chat model. retype Gemini. Click on Google Gemini and then type in Analyze Video. This is the node you'll need for this step. So this node just analyzes the video and then it outputs a friendly description for the video. Here you got your credential, and then the resource is a video, of course, the operation analyze video, and then we choose your model, and the text input is where you will prompt your Gemini agent. One sentence description for a Facebook post, because that's all I need. And here the input type is a video URL. You got two options, video URL or a binary file. I chose the video URL because I got the video from Cloudinary. So you just drag and drop the URL from the previous node. Here it is, and then execute the step. The next node is a set node or edit fields node. Here we will log in all the necessary data that we will need to initialize our Facebook or reel. So I dragged and dropped first the description from the previous nodes, and then the URL from the Cloudinary node, of course, and then add your page ID and your access token. I'll show you later how to get your page ID along with your permanent access token. Welcome back, and let's continue with our workflow. The next node is initializing the reel post. What we will need here is the URL. So we got the HTTPS, of course, and /graph.facebook.com/v25.0, which is our n8n version, / our page ID dragged from the previous node or the set node, and then /video_reel. Right, down below the authentication none, just keep it that way because we already have our access token. And you turn on the send body, and then the body content type is JSON type, and we will choose using fields below instead of using JSON. And then the first parameter is the upload_phase. The value is starts, and then drag and drop the URL from the Cloudinary node, and finally our access token. Click on execute step, and you will get the video ID and the upload URL. So the next node is another HTTP node. So here in the URL, instead of putting the graph.facebook.com, etc., we will just drag and drop the upload URL from the previous node or the initializing reel post. Authentication none again, and here you will turn on the send headers. Scroll down, and the headers will be the authorization as a name, the value will be auth, and the access token dragged from the previous node, and then our file URL from Cloudinary, and the third parameter you type in on the name file underscore size, and the value will be the upload ID from our initializing. No, I'm sorry. It's the upload and edit from file JSON. It's the file size. I'm sorry. It's the file size from Cloudinary. You scroll down and you look for bytes. Here it is. It's bytes. It's 40, 32, 30, 32. I'm sorry, 19, which is the file size of our video. And then you upload the video by executing the step. You will get success. It should be true, and the message should be upload successful, etc. All right, the next or the last node is our Facebook Graph API. On the right, you click on plus, type in Facebook. So you got the Facebook trigger node, the Facebook Graph API node, and then two other Facebook nodes. We will choose the Facebook Graph API. You open the node, and then you, in the host URL, after you type in or add your credentials, of course, you select video uploads instead of default, and the HTTP request, of course, it's post. Choose your latest Graph API version, and then the node will be the page ID, of course. So on the edge, you type in video underscore reels, and then you scroll down, and on the query parameters, the first parameter will be upload underscore phase, and this time the value will be finish, because we will publish our reel. And then the video underscore states published. Make sure the value is written in the uppercase, as you can see, published. And the next parameter is the description of our Facebook reel. You just name it description and drag and drop the description from the set node. And eventually we got the video ID. So you type in video underscore ID, and then you drag and drop the video ID from the initializing reel post node. Here it is. And then you execute the step, and you will get your reel posted.
Hi, let's learn to write a. First, a slant.
Thanks for watching this video, and see you next time.